Hello students, today we are going to see how to construct a hyperbola. Okay, so this is the question. Construct a hyperbola with the distance between the focus and the directrix as 50 mm and the eccentricity as 3 by 2. We've given us the distance from the focus and directrix as 50 mm and eccentricity as 3 by 2. And also draw the tangent and normal at a point 25 mm from the axis. Okay. They are given us to construct a hyperbola with the distance between the focus and the directrix as 50 mm and eccentricity as 3 by 2. And also draw the tangent and normal at a point 25 mm from the axis. So the first procedure is we have to draw a fixed straight line, that is a directrix D dash. Draw a fixed straight line directrix. Named it as D dash and D. The second step is to draw a axis line, center line. Mark it as O. This is common for all the plane curves, which means the ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. This is a common step for these three plane curves. Okay. And second step is we have to fix the focus point. In this problem, they are given us the focus point is the distance between the focus from the directrix as 50 mm. Okay, distance from the focus, distance to the focus and directrix as 50 mm. So we have to mark 50 mm from the directrix in the axis line. 50 mm from the directrix in the axis line. Mark it as yes. Distance between this directrix and focus is 50 mm. Okay. Then third step is we have to fix the vertex point. Okay. The vertex point. How to fix the vertex point is they are given us the eccentricity is 3 by 2. Eccentricity is 3 by 2. Okay. We have to divide the focus distance OF into 5 points. 5 equal points. Which means 3 plus 2 equal to 5. We have to add this numerator and denominator and we will get 5 as the answer. So we have to divide this OF into 5 equal parts, which means if the distance is 50 mm means 50 divided by 5, which means 10 mm. Take a compass and take a measurement as 10 mm and cut 5 points in this OF. Five points from O to S. Okay. In this, we are going to select the vertex. From these 5 points, we are going to select the vertex. The procedure is we have to consider the denominator. Okay, denominator in the eccentricity value. Here the denominator in the eccentricity value is 2. So we are selecting the vertex point as 2 from the directories. 1, 2. This is the vertex point. Okay. Mark it as B. Second point is the vertex point. Mark it as. The next step is we have to draw a straight line which is parallel to the directories in the vertex point. We have to draw a straight line in the vertex. We have to draw a straight line in the vertex point parallel to the directories. Okay. Then the next step is place the compass in the vertex point and measure the F distance. So, and cut an arc in this vertex line. Okay. Place the compass in the F, V and measure the distance F and cut the arc in the vertex line. And the next step is we have to draw a straight line from O and join the point, join this point. Okay. And the next step is we have to mark, we have to divide this line into continue equal distance. Which means we are taking 10 mm here means we have to cut a continuous arc up to 4 from the vertex. Okay. Mark its points 1, 2, 3, and 4. And connect those points to the like this. Connect those points like this. So the next step, we have to mark, we have to construct a hyperbola from by marking a arc from this. Okay. Place a compass in 1 and measure this distance. Okay. Place a compass in 1 and measure this distance and take the and place the compass in focus and cut an arc in the one line in up and down. Okay. The same way, also measure, place the compass in 2 and measure this distance and again place the compass in F and cut an arc in this two line. By the same way, we have to mark 3, 4. Mark the points as P1. P2 dash. P3 dash. P4 dash. The same way, mark here as P1, P2, P3, P4. Join these points with vertex. Okay. This is a parabola curve. Okay. Next, we have to draw the tangent and normal at a point 25 mm from the axis. Which means we have to mark at 25 mm from this the axis O point in this line. 25 mm means maybe it will come here. Okay, mark it as 25 mm and draw a straight line which is connecting a hyperbola curve. This is the point where we are going to draw a tangent and normal. Okay. I will mark this point in red color. In this red color point only, we are going to draw a tangent and normal. Okay. So the procedure is draw a line to the focus from the selected tangent and normal point, and then draw a 90-degree line, a perpendicular 90-degree line to the directrix from this focus point. Okay. This is a tangent point. Then from this point, we have to draw a tangent line connecting this point like this. This is a tangent line. Mark it as T and T dash. Then draw a normal line to this tangent line, which means you have to draw a 90-degree line in this normal line with tangent line. Okay. Place the protractor in this point and mark a 90-degree line. Okay, it's the normal line. Now the dimensions. Now the dimensions as per procedure. This is a focus distance 50 mm. And the normal line distance, normal and tangent line distance 25 mm. And the vertex line 20 mm.
In the meeting.